This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate without a Velvetiser. Making a rich, comforting cup at home is simpler than you think. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, cocoa powder, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Next, combine your dry ingredients in a saucepan. This helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth, consistent mixture. Then, gradually whisk in about 1 cup of milk per serving until everything is well combined. Now, let's get to heating. Place your saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. This prevents the milk from scorching and ensures even heating. It's crucial not to let the mixture boil. Instead, aim for a gentle simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For an extra layer of taste, consider adding a dash of vanilla extract, a cinnamon stick, or even a tiny pinch of chili powder for a subtle kick. To achieve that luxurious, creamy texture, you have a couple of options. You can stir in about 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or a few chocolate chips during the final minute of heating. For a delightful foamy top, use a small whisk or a milk frother just before serving. Once it's perfectly warm and creamy, pour your hot chocolate into your favorite mug. Don't forget to add classic toppings like fluffy marshmallows or a generous dollop of whipped cream. Sometimes, things don't go exactly as planned, but don't worry. If your hot chocolate is a bit too thin, just simmer it gently for a few more minutes to reduce it slightly. Conversely, if it's too thick, simply add a small splash of milk until you reach your desired consistency. Remember to adjust the sugar and cocoa to your personal preference. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your homemade, rich, and wonderfully comforting hot chocolate creation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.